Reconditioned Servomex oxygen analyzer. For testing, we supply the unit with 220 volt AC power supply, and we add a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. Afterwards, we supply the unit with atmospheric air input, and the percentage of oxygen rises to about 20.9%, and the milliamp output shown on the multimeter screen is at 17.32. We supply the unit with nitrogen gas in order to do a nitrogen test, and as soon as we do so, the percentage of oxygen falls to 0. The milliamp output is shown on the multimeter screen at about 4 milliamp. It is now clear that the oxygen analyzer is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.